Looks like I got a big old heart on my booty. Look at that. Hey, welcome back to Saving Mamacita. That's right, this is the home of Rate That Box. We do a lot of monthly subscription box unboxings here on this channel. If there is a box that you would like me to try or find to unbox here for you guys before you spend your own money on the box, let me know down in the comment section down below. Today is super exciting because it is one of my favorite fitness boxes ever. This is Barbella Box. This is a fitness box created by women for women. And guys, we aren't leaving you out of the mix either. They also have a box for men as well. This is Barbella Box. It starts out at $50 a month. You are gonna get a lot of different things in this box. Anything from fitness clothing, which I love, snacks, workout gear, anything related to fitness and motivation is in this box. Let's go ahead and unbox comes in this beautiful greenish aqua color box. This is what you're gonna see on your doorstep, is this actual box. It doesn't come in another box, this is it. So it says strong is beautiful. I did already cut it, so we're gonna go ahead and open it right now. Great, Barbella Box, here we go. So this is the fall box. This is the Feel Good Fall November 2021 box. It says, we've got you covered this fall with products to make you look good and feel good all season long. So this is the postcard that comes in the box. It's a different theme, usually every month. And then on the back, it has what is in your box. It has all of the items as well as the values. And in this particular box, it has a total value over $160. So if after this video you guys really enjoyed it and you want to check out the box for yourself, I will leave everything in my description area along with their values and a link where you can check out the box for yourselves. The first item is a pair of socks. Gotta love socks. These are super stretchy, super comfortable athletic socks. Barbella Low socks, your new go-to all day, every day socks with Barbella Babe on the soles. Ooh, these socks were created with performance and comfort in mind. They feature moisture wicking fabric, moderate cushion, and everyday compression. I love a good athletic sock, and these have a value of $12. Next item. This looks like a sports bra, I think. Yeah, this is Evree, E-V-R-E-E Bella Bra. This bra is designed to handle it all, from structure and fit to high-end detail, functionality, and design. It features a classic low scoop neckline with an extra thick ribcage band for added support. When you work out, you need that support on those girls. Ooh, I like this. Look at this, you guys. It's like a blue and black. And on the back, it has like the racer back straps. Very, very good quality material here. It looks like it has removable cups. So when you fill out your profile, you guys, you will be able to go ahead and indicate your sizes, and that could be anywhere from your shoe size, your sock size, your top, your bottoms, all of those sizes. You will get to adjust those, and you can change those anytime that you need to. So also, it looks like we have a pair of leggings to go with the bra. What? Oh my goodness, yes, same brand. It is a matching pair of leggings. Oh, excuse me. This is a heart booty legging. There you go. $74 value. Designed to show off your hard-earned assets. These high waist, I love that. I love high waist. Silky smooth leggings are luxe in every way. So comfortable, you'll reach for this style again and again. They feature a full-length inseam, breathable and sweat-wicking fabric, and best for low-impact workouts. Love that. These are very soft. How about I try these on for you guys in just a little bit after I do the unboxing, and I can let you know what I think. I'm very interested in these little heart booty thingies here. All right, next item is Hannah Sienna. This is a purifying charcoal mask. This mineral-rich purifying mask works to gently exfoliate, remove dirt and oils, and soothe tired skin. This formula is designed to enhance overall skin condition while improving elasticity. $18.99 value. This I am super excited to try. I love trying new masks. This is beautiful packaging. I love charcoal. So this, I'm very happy this was included. This is super awesome. We've got I love trying new snacks. This is an organic. This is Tosi, Tosi, Peanut Dark Chocolate Super Bites. $2 value on this. Peanuts and dark chocolate. It's a match made in taste bud heaven. But with Peanut Dark Chocolate Super Bites, Tosi managed to make it healthy too. Each organic bite is packed with plant protein and flavor. Some might call it unbelievable, but we just call it nuts and seeds. Opening it up, it's a cute little bar. It's already kind of broken up into pieces, but here's what it looks like. Looks like a whole bunch of different things in there. Let's try it. Very nutty, very crunchy. Tastes kind of like a cereal. You know what it kind of tastes like? Have you ever tried that Kashi cereal? It's got like that flaxseed type, I don't know. It's good. This is really good. And then the last item is called Sigmatic. I have actually heard of this brand. It is ground mushroom coffee. $2 value. This ground coffee brews smooth, dark, and remarkably crash-free. So this, I have not actually tried this brand before, but I have heard of it. It says you can make it as a hot coffee, you can make it as a cold brew, you can elevate it by adding in non-dairy milk, coconut oil, or cinnamon. I love adding cinnamon to my coffee. This is vegan, keto, and has 0 grams of sugar. So super excited to try that. So that concludes the November 2021 Barbella Box unboxing. Let's go ahead and let's try on that outfit, shall we? Let's do it.
A few moments later.
Hey, so here's the Evree ensemble right here. We've got the sports bra with the matching leggings. Super comfortable, very supportive. This definitely holds up the girls. So I'm gonna try to step back here a little bit. You can see they are a full length legging. Definitely a full length. I prefer like a cropped legging myself, but these are actually not bad. Not bad at all. So you guys are ready to see the heart booty, aren't you? I know that. So here is the heart booty. Look at the heart booty. Heart booty. What do you guys think? Definitely love the quality of this brand. Love the sports bra. The leggings are very soft, very comfortable. And I'm very glad I did order a size large. I did change my bottom size to large. Usually I do wear a medium, but I have a feeling if these were a medium, they would be very, very difficult to get on. So let's go ahead now and talk about Barbella Box November 2021. I love getting fitness clothing in a fitness box. This outfit is super comfortable. I'm so happy. The value of it is awesome. I can see myself wearing this ensemble for sure when I'm working out. As far as the socks, I love socks. I love getting fitness socks, and these are not junky socks. These are actually good quality socks. Mask, I love that. Some of you may or may not agree with a mask in a fitness box, but I think it's great. I love trying new snacks, especially healthy snacks. This was really tasty. And then the coffee. I have heard of this brand. I have not tried it yet, but it's super fun to get something like this. I'm not so sure that it fits the fitness theme, but it is something that I love coffee. So, hey, for me personally, I like it. So let's go ahead and rate that box, you guys. Hit that drum roll, please. Barbella Box, November 2021. You are going to get a rating of a 8.5. As usual, Barbella Box knocks it out of the park with their packaging, with the variety of the items, with their descriptions on their postcard and their values. Love Barbella Box. If you guys want to try Barbella Box for yourself, go ahead, click the link down below if you want. And if you like the video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys.